What scientific breakthrough are we closer to than most people realize? 1. Insanely effective cancer treatments. Cell therapy is absolutely crazy, and it's available for a fair few diseases. 2. Earthquake warning system up to 2 hours. 3. A cure for HIV seems to be on the horizon. Some scientists managed to cut it out of cells using CRISPR last year. 4. Brain-computer interface. I worked on one 10 years ago. It barely worked, but you could see the potential. However, a few weeks ago someone played a 6-hour Civilization 6 session using only their brain. 5. A technological leap forward in battery storage capacity, cheaper and lighter weight. This will have the biggest impact on everyday life. 6. With the JWST Space Telescope, we are learning far more about our universe that the Hubble's Visible Light Telescope could not capture. It is not like what we thought in enormous ways. These changes will matter. I expect a lot more cancer vaccines coming out. If cancer numbers are reduced, the need for therapies are reduced, too. 7. Believe